guys, happy Easter. It's 2022, April 17th, and I hope you guys are having a good Easter. Today, I am going to be doing the taste test on the cereal. Guys, look. Wendy's Frosty cereal. Let's open this up. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my god. Ah! It's hard to open it, guys. I don't know why. Oh no, I made like a rip. Alright, guys. We're gonna open the milk up. Freshly opened. Let's pour the milk. Alright. Here. Alright, let's try this. I'm joking, guys. But for real though, I'm gonna give this a 8 out of 10. Bye guys, I hope you have a great Easter, hanging out with your friends or family, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.